In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact seller on Temu Marketplace. If you ever need help with a product, whether it is asking about item details, checking availability, or following up on an order, contacting the seller directly on Temu can be very useful. In this guide, I will walk you through the exact process on a computer so you can quickly find and reach the seller in a clear and efficient way. To begin, turn on your computer and allow everything to fully load. Next, open your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Chrome, although any modern browser will work just fine. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar, type Temu, and press Enter. From the search results page, carefully select the official Temu website. Make sure you avoid any unrelated or misleading links so you can access the correct platform. Once the official homepage loads, you are ready to search for the product related to the seller you want to contact. Use the search bar or browse through the available categories until you find the product in question. When you locate it, click on the item to open its full product page. This page contains detailed information about the product, including pricing, specifications, and seller details. On the product page, look toward the section labeled Sold By. This area displays the name of the seller or store responsible for the item. Click on the seller name or the Sold By option to be redirected to the seller's store page. Once you are on the seller's page, look for the Profile area, which may include a store icon or profile image. Click on it to access the seller's profile information. This section usually organizes all available details in one place for easy access. Here, you may find different contact options provided by the seller. Depending on what is available, this can include an email address, a phone number, or platform-based messaging options. You may also see additional details, such as store policies or response times, which can help you understand how quickly they typically reply. If you need to use an email address or phone number, carefully select and copy the information. On most computers, you can highlight the text and use keyboard shortcuts to copy it. Make sure you avoid any mistakes when entering contact details and always protect your personal information when reaching out. Finally, use the available contact method to send your message. If you are emailing, include clear details, such as the product name or link, along with your question. If calling is an option, try to reach out during appropriate business hours. If in-platform messaging is available, it is often the most convenient way to communicate. Keep your message polite, short, and clear, and wait for the seller's response in your inbox or through your Temu account notifications. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.